Good day everyone, I am Ginard B. Jacor from BSED English 2A. So today, I am going to demonstrate on how to produce sound using the General American English. So, without further ado, let's start! E E E as in lead. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Leave, beak, squeak, heel, deal. What time are we going to leave tomorrow? The male bird is distinguished by its red beak. He made a sound like a squeak. The doctor said that the injury will take time to heal. The investors closed the deal. E E E as in lead. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Dig, kid, pin, pig, dip. This ground is too hard to dig. The kid is drowning. Pin the ribbon on your shirt. The pig is eating. I dip my bread in hot chocolate. As in lead. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Bed, rent, lend, let, vet. It's time to go to bed. I have to pay my rent. Lend me some money. Let it be. I have to take my dog to the vet. A as in laid. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Paid, wait, nail, vein, rain. I paid the electric bill last week. The long wait is over. Please hand me the nail. The nurse was having trouble finding the vein in his arm. Zosie has the longest reign in Miss Universe history. As in lad. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Glad, bad, sat, mop, bag. I'm glad we meet. The soup is bad. I sat down quietly. I need the map. Where is my bag? As in caught. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Dot, got, hot, rot, lot. Is that a dot I see? Don't worry, I got you. The sun is hot. Too much sugar will rot your teeth. What a huge parking lot. Ah, 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 as in cup. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Jump, drum, cut, got, nut. I have to jump. The drum is full of water. Please, don't cut down the trees. I have to trust my gut. It is a tough nut for him to crack. As in verb. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Germ, offer, stern, over, nerve. Wash your hands to avoid sickness from germs. The management offered me a huge contract. He just looked at me with a stern face. It's no use crying over spilt ice cream. The pressure is getting on my nerves. Ooh, 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 as in pool. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Cool, soon, shoot, mood, food. He act cool. The cinema will open soon. Shoot the ball. I'm not in the mood for this. Food makes me happy. Ooh, 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 as in pool. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Wool, wood, took, look, cook. The dress was made out of wool. I have to get some wood. The guy took my wallet. You look wonderful. I don't know how to cook. Oh, 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 as in coat. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Coach, coal, goal, float, coast. You are the best coach ever. They burned some coal. Focus on the goal. I don't know how to float in water. This is a rocky coast. Aw, 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 as in pause. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Pause, jaw, because, author, holiday. I have to pause the movie. My jaw hurts. I bought this because I need this. The author point of view is magical. We traveled to Japan for holiday. So, I I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Think, tooth, healthy, mother, weather, and father. Think before you click. Is tooth fairy real? Vegetables are healthy. Love your mother. The weather is nice. Love your father. So, I am going to use these sounds to different sentences using these 5 words. Very, lover, visit, behave, beaver, brave. The exam is very hard. What a sweet lover. I'll come visit. You need to behave. What a cute beaver. We are brave. So, I am going to use these sounds in different sentences using these words. Scissors, buzz, zebra, swing, star, sail. Careful, the scissors are sharp. The bees buzz. The zebra is sleeping. I love to swing. Let's count some stars. Come sail with me. Shh, 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 as in shirt. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Shape, shark, share, rush, shampoo. She's in a bad shape, but she's alive. A fisherman was attacked by a shark. I want to share my story with you. Nicole rushed to the hospital. I've rinsed the shampoo out of my dog's hair. Zzz, 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 as in measure. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Treasure, pleasure, exposure, revision, visual. God knows how I treasure my family so much. It's a pleasure to meet you. She suffered a massive exposure to toxic chemicals. Their educational policies are done for revision. I have a very good visual memory. Ch, 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 as in cheer. So, I am going to use this sound in different sentences using these 5 words. Cheese, teacher, speech, chick, cheat. I love cheese. Our math teacher is very bubbly. Mark is practicing for his speech. He leaned down and kissed her cheek softly. She didn't expect that her boyfriend would cheat on her. That's it. So that concludes my demonstration on how to produce the sound of the General American English. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned from this demonstration. See you in a bit. Toodle-doo. Bye.